Well, we're very glad to have you here.
We're very glad to be here.
Thank you.
Good. What are you drinking? Wine, water, beer?
No, I don't drink.
You don't drink?
No, saving that for Christmas.
Okay, you're saving up for Christmas. Tell me one thing. How long will Spice Girl exist, you think?
Forever.
They will?
Yeah, I think, you know, it's... you know, we're friends. I think whatever happens, whether, you know, there'll always be music coming from us or, you know, individually, we'll always be around. Sorry.
Yeah. Well, you know, the thing is about Spice Girls is that we're just like a gang of mates. Yeah. So, you know, we're always going to be friends. That's never going to end. And there's, you know, there's hundreds and thousands, there's millions of Spice Girls everywhere. All our fans, you know, Spice Girls,
boys.
Spice Boys.
Spice Boys?
Spice Pets, you know.
Okay.
Tack.